Hi friends, welcome to the topic on auxiliary verbs. We'll learn the types, rules and usage. Auxiliary verb is a topic for Maharashtra Board 12th Standard English Grammar. So we'll learn in this video how to use the auxiliary verbs, its rules and types. हा व्हिडिओ नक्कीच एंड पर्यंत पहा. So moving to the meaning of auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verbs are known as helping verbs. They are used to assist main verbs. Expresses tense, mood and voice. Auxiliary verb म्हणजे सहाय्यक क्रिया. आपण जाणून घेऊया त्याचे प्रकार. Types of auxiliaries are primary auxiliaries and modal verbs. In detail आपण पाहूया. Primary auxiliaries are basically divided into three groups. याचे तीन ग्रुप आहेत. Be, have and do. आता प्रत्येक ग्रुप मध्ये certain auxiliaries add आहेत. Like in B group we have am, is, are, was, were. In do, does, did. And in have, has, had. What is primary auxiliary? They are used as main verbs and also as helping verbs. म्हणजेच प्रायमरी ऑक्झिलरी आपण एक मेन वर्ब म्हणून पण यूज करू शकतो किंवा सहाय्यक क्रिया म्हणून पण यूज करू शकतो. So we'll understand in detail. Primary auxiliaries, when used as main verb, these verbs describe the full meaning of a sentence. म्हणजेच मेन वर्ब म्हणून जर आपण यूज करतो आहे तर वाक्याचा पूर्ण अर्थ आपल्याला लागतो. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, she has a new car. ह्यामध्ये has is a primary auxiliary. He does his work. Here does is a primary auxiliary. प्लीज नोट दॅट इथे मेन वर्ब कुठचाच यूज झालेला नाहीये किंवा आपल्याला इथे कोणती क्रिया दिसत नाहीये. वी आर जस्ट युजिंग सहाय्यक क्रिया इन दीज बोथ सेंटेन्सेस. नेक्स्ट, प्रायमरी ऑक्झिलरीज व्हेन युज्ड विथ मेन वर्ब्स. ऑक्झिलरी वर्ब्स हेल्प टू मेक continuous tenses and passive voice, questions and negatives. For example, they are playing hockey. ह्या सेंटेन्स मध्ये are is a सहाय्यक क्रिया or primary auxiliary and playing becomes main verb. इथे आपल्याला क्रिया दिसते, that is play. So please note rule 1 of primary auxiliary. Forms of the verb be, that means in B group am, is, are, was, were are used to form continuous tense. Now this tense can be present continuous, past continuous or future continuous. So to identify continuous tense we use the form verb plus ing. Verb म्हणजे कोणतीही क्रिया त्याला आपण ing जोडू शकतो. So it will make a continuous tense. For example, if we take the verb किंवा क्रिया read आणि त्याला आपण ing जोडू तर verb becomes reading. Now this reading is used in the continuous tense. Rule 1. Examples are, I am listening to the song. In this sentence, am is auxiliary verb and listening is main verb. So listen plus ing becomes listening. And in second example, she was writing this note. Was is auxiliary verb and writing is the main verb. In both these sentences, we have used am, was as auxiliary and verb plus ing to make a continuous tense. So first example is of present continuous tense and second example, she was writing this note, becomes past continuous tense. Kindly note rule 2. Verb forms of have, that are has and had, are used to form perfect tense. Now this perfect tense can be present perfect, past perfect or future perfect. In perfect tense we need to use the verb forms of have, has, had plus verb. Now this verb has to be in past participle form. For example, if we use the verb have, we need to use past participle of the verb write, that is written. So together it forms have written. This shows the perfect tense. We'll understand with the examples. In example 1, she has spoken about it today. Here auxiliary verb is has plus spoken. Now spoken is the main verb here. We have used past participle of the verb speak. In the second example, they had bought this for me. Now in this sentence, had is the auxiliary form. We have used past participle of the verb buy. Please note rule 3. Verb forms of do, that are does and did, are used to form simple present or simple past tense. So if we use the words do and does will make simple present tense आणि जर आपण did use करत असू तर it makes past tense. For example, I do the work किंवा I did the work. आपण वळूया modal verbs कडे. Modal verbs are used with main verbs to describe the ability, permission, necessity, possibility and certainty. So modal verbs आपल्याला काय दर्शवतात? क्षमता, परमिशन किंवा रिक्वेस्ट, नेसेसिटी इज गरज, पॉसिबिलिटी शक्यता अँड सर्टनिटी म्हणजे शाश्वती. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, शी कॅन लिफ्ट द वेट. हिअर can shows the ability whether the weight can be lifted or not. Here is the list of certain models that are used. Now this part is given in the grammar portion of HSC 12th Standard Maharashtra Board under chapter 1.8 Voyaging Towards Excellence. Now here can or could shows the ability, should is used for giving advice or obligation, shall and will is for futurity, determination, would for habitual past or request, may and might for permission, possibility, must, have to for compulsion, used to for habitual past, ought to for obligation, need to for necessity, dare to for courage. Going to the rules of modal verbs, please note rule 1. Modal verbs are always used with main verbs except for question tag. म्हणजेच question tags वगळता आपल्याला modal verbs बरोबर main verbs use करायचे आहेत. For example, if we see the first sentence, I can this work. This is the wrong sentence. In this modal verb can is used but the main verb is not present. So in the below sentence, I can do this work. Here modal verb can is used along with the main verb do. So this is the correct sentence here. I can do this work. Going to rule 2 of modal verbs. Modal verbs always stay in their base form. Base form means can remains as can even though the pronoun changes. In first sentence I have used I can sing. I is the pronoun. If I change I to they can sing. We can see that can remains as it is not changed. So base form remains even though the pronoun has changed here. In this table we'll see the modals and the past tense form. Can becomes could in the past tense, shall become should, will, would, may, might. This is the grammar portion of HSC 12th Standard 1.8 Voyaging Towards Excellence. We'll just look at the answers to it. First sentence is, take an umbrella. It may rain later. People should not walk on the grass. May I ask you a question? The signal has turned red. You must wait. I was a sports person in my school days. I used to play badminton. I am going to the library. I might find my friend there. So आपण summary पाहूया. Auxiliaries चे मुख्य दोन प्रकार आहेत. Primary auxiliary and modal verbs. Under primary auxiliary 3 groups आहेत. Be, do and have. प्रत्येकामध्ये auxiliary forms आहेत like is, are, was, were, am. For be, for do it is do, does and did. For have, has and had. Modal verbs are can, may, will, shall, must. ह्याचेच past tense forms पण येऊ शकतात. Thank you for watching. If you understand the content, please like, share and subscribe.